up, you guys? It's your girl Delilah Loves coming back at it with another video. Say what's up, La Cienega. Say what's up, girl. Yes, this is a video of me showing you guys what's in my esthetician kit. My beauty box. Everything that's in this box is from school and from Amazon. And, you know, makeup. You know, Sephora, Ulta, all that. So, yes, this is a box. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I'm just sitting down right now just to say what's up, you guys, you know. Also, I look like the video before or the video after because I did 2 videos today. So yeah, so this is how the kit looks. This is how it look. Ugh. I might, you know what I might do? You know what I might do? Hold on. I might just set up somewhere else because yeah, that's what I might do. Hold on. This is my kit. This is how big is my kit. I got this from Amazon. I will leave a picture right here on how much it costs, what color I got, all that stuff. And also I will leave it down in the description. So this is how big my kit is. It comes apart, so you got different ways you could pull it apart. I'm gonna go sideways like this. So you see these little clips right here? Clip them. Pull it apart like this. You know, like this. You pull it apart like that. You unclip this one. You pull it apart like that. And then you got the bottom. So, yeah. So, we're going to just go over what's all in my kit for school. And, yeah. Be good into this video, okay? So one thing I got from school is a mannequin head. We use her to practice eyelashes on, eyelash extensions, and I use her to practice eyebrows. So we are currently in school. Well, I'm currently in school. I've been in school so far for 4 weeks, so we ain't really been doing much but the same things over and over again. So I heard further on down the line, we will be doing a little bit more. So y'all see her eyebrows? Ooh. Her name is La Cienega, by the way. So don't play with her. I usually put everything in my box like this. So yeah, this is a little messy or whatnot. So this is our little eyelash box bag, if you want to call it. But it comes with this like steamer. You put water in here and you pop it up and it sprays water like mist over the lashes. It comes with a charger and everything. So yeah, that's pretty dope. You got some micro swabs whenever you cleaning the lashes, or you know, you just want to, yeah, whenever you cleaning the lashes, you use this. Another cue that people use these for is earbuds, to clean out their earbuds. What else we got is some lash wands. The spoolies like comes in like the mascara. So we got some lash wands, a pack of lash wands, like 50 pieces of them. So that's pretty dope. We got some tape. We got some gel pads. Got some tweezers for the lashes. Whenever you're doing lashes, you got different types. You got the isolation tweezers. So this is how the tweezers look. It's different types of them, by the way. So yeah. These tweezers are great and sharp. We got some fake lashes for our mannequin. So we got to put the lashes on the mannequin in order, like, to, you know, we got to put the lashes on a mannequin in order to put lashes on these lashes. So these are how they look. I only got, they so unseenable. So that's how they look. The lash palette. Oh, my little lashes. I haven't put them back yet in the box. So I just kept them right the way they are. Okay, I was practicing lashes, okay? So yeah. So we got our lash palette. This is how it looks. It's glass. And then we got a little crystal in the middle right here. We put tape over it and we put our glue right there. And if you want, you can put your lashes right here. So I have CC 1.5 CC 15 and 0.18 12D, 0.18 12D. What else? 0.15 14C. That's what I have on here. So this is our lash palette that we got. We got some lashes. So this is the OG Lashes Fur Mink Professionals. So this is the D lashes. As you can tell, we've been using them in class. This is the C lashes. And this is the CC lashes. Yeah. Brush. Whenever you clean the lashes, you can use this brush with the cleaner stuff. We got some tweezers, adhesive gel remover, and our pre-treatment for eyelash extensions. Then we got some go-to adhesives. We actually got 3, but I don't have the other one with me. This is the medium thin and the medium thick, and then we got a medium one. This is the Lash Bath Gel Cleanser. I haven't used it yet, so yeah. So I think that's pretty much all for with the lashes. And then after that, we got this kit. It comes with the extraction tools that you use. I got a bunch of these already, so. Then we got from our school, we got the anti-aging cream. So, from my school. Then they gave us some lipid drops and some collagen drops and some brightening molecules, some purifying molecules. Then we receive another bag with some brushes, some facial brushes. I think we use this for back facials, if I'm not mistaken. And you can use all these for regular facials because we don't use all these. Now these big ones, I'm dead serious. If I'm not mistaken, I feel like these are for your back, and I know these are for your face because that's all we've been using. So yep, that's that. They gave us some gloves. This is how they gave it to us in a book bag. So they gave us some gloves. They didn't bought that kit for me. I bought that kit myself. So they put all our stuff in a book bag. They gave us a book bag as well. But they gave us some gloves. But I ain't got a box of gloves. So that's all that's in that part. Then in the other parts, I'm pretty sure that's the stuff I put in there. I purchased myself. Just like how I purchased this kit. We also got an iPad. We got a book bag. Oh, we did get some oncology products. That's like for the cancer patients and everything. So yeah, hold on. So this is the other half of the kit. So in this kit, I usually keep my makeup in it because it's like a separation. So some days at our school, we have free time to do like work on like our I say co-workers, our peers, our, you know, friends that's in school. So I keep my makeup stuff in here just in case. And every time we do makeup or anything, I don't have my makeup. And we got to use their makeup. So I don't really like their makeup. So what I usually have, I need to clean my brushes because I did a video of me doing my makeup. And I haven't cleaned my brushes yet. So I keep all my brushes over here. I keep my sponges in this one. I don't even have all my makeup here. That's crazy. So my foundation. Oh yes, I do. Okay, foundation, concealer, highlight powder. What is it called, y'all? Primer, eyebrow stuff, lip scrub, mascara, loose powder, eyeliner. I usually keep my my L&B Love and Beyond rose oil in here as well. I got my contacts in here. I haven't put none on yet, so yeah. Contacts. And that's pretty much it in this half. We got another half right here that comes in the kit. So this half, I keep like, only thing I keep in the first half is all the stuff they gave me. In the other halves is all the stuff I provided. So I got a face cleansing sponge. I got a machine. You know, I gotta keep my rose water. Babe, you been so.
Cause you know motherfucker in and motherfucker yeah.
Babe.
I ain't brush my teeth today. Hey. Hey.
I got some more extraction tools that I provided myself. My edge booster. Babe, you really about to piss me off. You really about to piss me off for real.
Come on, you gotta move this shit now.
Alright, back to what I was saying before he came in and rudely interrupt. This is another machine that scrapes up all your goops and stuff out of your pores. Pretty much I got hair, makeup, and skincare products in this kit. Okay, because wherever I go, that's gonna go. You know, I just done a video, so I literally use this first kit, well, this kit right here, this half of the kit with the stuff I use for the video. I got some pads, makeup remover pads. I got my makeup palette, one of my makeup palettes. The James Charles palette. Indian Healing Clay Mask. I got my foaming wrapping satin lotion. I got some cocoa butter vitamin E treatment. I got some Mary Kate sunscreen. I got some, I don't really use this, but oil-free, this for combination skin. This is a cleanser. I got some Love and Beyond body butter that is almost gone. I got some Got to Be glue. And I got some Ebony New York tit and lace. And I got some scarves and what it's called. You know, you put on your head before you put your wig on. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy everything. My book bag is not with me, it's in my car, and I surely don't feel like walking to go get it. So yes, this is all that's in my kit. I will be doing more videos about my journey in esthetician school, and also I will be doing more content with you guys, like showing you how to do this, doing like different types of things. You know, I'm trying to step out my comfort zone and, you know, step out the box and do a little bit more. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about your girl D Love in the building. All right, y'all, bye.